Welcome to the course. My name is Alex Ginadinik and I'll be your instructor. I sincerely appreciate the time and trust that you're putting into me and this course, and I'll do whatever I can to make sure that you get a lot of value from this course.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Starting with, I hold regular office hours with students where we can have a one-on-one conversation, and I make sure to answer 99% of student questions within 24 hours. Now let me tell you a little bit about this course and a little bit about the course. So I'm a business coach with over 1,000 clients that I've coached over time, and everybody now, they ask me, what about Twitter, Facebook marketing, Instagram? And you know what? Offline marketing strategies are still very effective because they're time proven and they give you a chance to build real relationships. You meet people face to face, you shake their hand, you talk to them, you really create a human relationship where there is more trust. And that's why these strategies, they still work and they're going to continue to work. Not only that, whenever everybody's off with social media, which is great in itself, but fewer people take the time and care to build real business relationships with others, and that's where you'll have the advantage. Is if you build real relationships, you will get long-term clients, long-term business relationships that actually help you with your career and business far beyond the current project you're working on today and for the rest of your career. So in this course, we're going to cover everything from fake flyers, from business card marketing, how to get referrals, how to turn customers into long-term customers, even how to get on the radio, local radio, how to join a press club locally so that you can get local press, how to do events that position you as a thought leader and really get you clients, and events have a fantastic ability to get revenue and become and get leads, a lot of leads really, who come to your events who then become clients of your bigger business, or the events can generate revenue in their own right. So there's a lot of things you can do. A lot of things are still really effective and they're going to continue to be effective, and that's why I'm personally really excited about offline marketing, and I hope you're too. So let's get started.